Welcome to Nemo's World. For today's vlog, I'm gonna take you to one of the hottest tourist destinations outside Baguio City with my friends. Mia and Jelay, who came all the way from Bicol.
Drive si Amy hanggang kilometer, ano to?
Join us as we see the beauty of Sayangan, Atok Benguet. First up is the half tunnel along the highway. Half tunnel is a 50-meter portion of the highway carved from the face of a huge rock constructed in 1968 after the strong typhoon training washed out the road. Stop, we availed of the package tour from Atok Tourism, Mount Olis. Near Mount Olis is the taping site of my favorite drama, Broken Marriage Vow. So nice to see it. As we're going up to Mount Olis, our tour guide gave us some wild, edible fruits along the way, which is very interesting. From wild berries, wild tomatoes, and of course, one of the highlights of the tour is strawberry picking. These strawberries are a Japanese variety, according to our guide, and to the farmer who was very friendly enough to offer us her crops and pick up the delicious ones for us too.
Pa doon, masira mo, no. Pag narinig kayo na no, ibig sabihin, sarap na masarap. Exage. Or kunya, maganda, or kaya pag pangit.
Oh, wait. Nakailan ka na?
Madaming.
Madami na, diba? Ah? Around the mountain are beautifully landscaped hydrangeas. And of course my strawberry. Mount Olis also offers accommodation to tourists who wants to see the sunset and the sunrise. on the top of Mount Olis.
Mount Pulag, Tabayok ya, Mount Timbak.
Mundo, Pulag.
Pulag yan, do este banda. May foggy kami na. Do di Mount Timbak.
Timbak.
Oo. Tas Tabayok di. Din di abay di. Mount Pulag.
The peak, you can see Mount Pulag, Mount Timbak. Mount Pulag is the third highest mountain in the Philippines, but due to the clouds, we couldn't see a clear view of it. But still, it's amazing. These are all vegetable farms. Oh, hello there, Amy. She's taking a selfie. Of course, me too.
Nasa taas.
Mastorbohin pa namin sila. Ayusin mo.
Kasi naman bigla-biglaan naman kayo.
Before leaving the place, we did some succulent shopping and different plants, and the owner kindly gave us some free cabbages.
Naglalakad yung may kon sa sasakyan. Di ba? But wait lang, nainiwan ka ni Amy, di ba? Wala. Carpet. Green carpet. Di ba?
Now off to our second destination, Heights Place and the Sakura Park. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.